Tips to brighten your skin. Korean skincare secret. Number 1. Brighten your skin with the rice water pack. Combine 1 to 2 teaspoons of rice water with 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Use the thin paste to massage your face gently. After applying the paste for 10 to 20 minutes, wash it off with cold water. It aids in the fading of scars, pigmented spots and blemishes. Therefore, rice water for skin whitening is highly recommended. Please do a patch test before you start. Second, lime juice. Squeeze the juice from a lemon into a bowl and add equal parts of water to it. Dip a cotton ball into the mixture and gently dab lemon juice onto any dark spots on your face. Let the lemon juice sit for 20 minutes, then rinse your face with cool water. From skin brightening and reducing the appearance of dark spots to treating freckles and oily skin, lemon juice is gold for your skin. Number 3. Aloe vera. Take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix the two together and form a thick paste. Apply it on your skin and keep it for 15 minutes. Wash off the mask after 15 minutes. Use twice every week to get even toned skin. Aloe vera face pack eradicates skin imperfections like dark spots and patches and eliminates dead skin cells. Number 4. Honey. Mixing juice of 1 tomato with a teaspoon of honey helps reduce tan marks, brighten skin complexion and get rid of spots and blemishes. Twice a week, massage the mix on the face for 5 minutes and leave it to rest for another 15 minutes before rinsing it off with tap water for desired results. Apply any of these face packs to your face according to your skin and see visible results in just few days. Leave a hat in the comment box if it helps.